Virgo, hi. Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for December 9 to 15, 2024. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see Virgo, what's coming to you December 9 to 15, 2024. Wow, abundance. So, merong magandang pasok ng pera, ng resources para sa inyo. Kasi ang abundance, hindi lang yan sa finances. This can be abundance of resources or abundance ng inyong imagination, ng inyong creativity. So, maganda ang week na to for you. Maaliwalas. Maaliwalas. You also have relationship healing. So, some of you, maaring may pag-aayos, pagbabate. Kung kayo ay nagkaroon ng misunderstanding with someone, this can be a romantic partner, friend, within the family. So, you're healing from that. Yung iba naman, this is inner healing, no? Na tipong pinapatawad mo na yung sarili mo sa mga naging actions mo or mga naging choices mo in the past when it comes to your relationship with others. You also have gratitude. Wow. So this is about pagiging thankful. Magpapasalamat ka sa mga blessings mo. Malaki man yan o maliit. You are acknowledging it. You are happy with it. So, ang ganda nitong energy ninyo kasi abundance is about, prosperity. And I think the more na nagiging grateful ka sa mga blessings na dumarating, the more na nagmumultiply yung blessings na yon. Oo. Ewan ko kung napanood nyo yung interview ni Karen Davila kay sino ba to? Yung yung kapatid ni Small. Oo. Si Alice, yan. Si Alice Eduardo. Na mahilig siyang magdasal talaga. So, ano yung pinagdadasal niya? Yung gratitude. Na nagpapasalamat siya lagi sa blessings. Kaya naman siya blessed na blessed in terms of, material wealth. So, let's see what else. Ano pa for you? So, na natin yung overall energy for you, Virgo. You have the Four of Pentacles. This is stability in your finances. Yung iba sa inyo kung may mga goals kayo of, having a certain amount of money para sa savings ninyo. So, na-achieve nyo na yan. Siguro pag tinitingnan nyo yung inyong bank account, ay napapasmile na lang talaga kayo dahil nakikita nyo yung bunga ng inyong pinaghirapan, yung mga in-effortan ninyo. Your possible challenge is the Two of Swords. So, meron kayong decision making this week na medyo mahirapan kayo na pumili, no? Pag may Two of Swords, this is about tapping into your instinct, your intuition when it comes to making decisions. Kasi minsan, may mga decision na hindi mo kailangang maging practical or logical. You just know what's best. Okay? I don't know kung naka-experience na kayo niyan, but yung instinct mo yung magsasabi sa'yo na, ito yung gawin mo, or ito yung makakabuti para sa'yo. Okay? Let's see your opportunity. The Two of Wands. You have the opportunity to explore, to plan for your goals and your dreams. So, I think itong decision making na challenge sa inyo, eventually, mapipili mo yung best for you. And then, some of you are planning for growth. So, you are growing your finances, growing your career, growing your business. Kung ikaw ay may mga projects ngayon, the more na ikaw ay nag-e-effort for that project, the more na nagiging nagsusolidify yung pag-achieve mo ng goals mo, and this will bring you good luck. This will bring you abundance. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong opportunity to travel abroad or to work abroad, or maaring to have a business abroad. Alam niyo yung online selling na pwede kang kumita ng pera by selling items or things or services abroad. Oo, ganon. So, your blessing is the Justice card. So, blessing, ito yung decision making mo. So, you will have the best possible decision. You will be blessed with discernment. Oo, napaka-importante rin yan na alam mo kung ano yung best for you. You just know it. And this is also bringing balance in your life. Kung medyo busy ka sa ibang bagay noon na may mga bagay na nakalimutan ka or hindi mo masyadong napagtuunan ng pansin. So this week, maaayos mo yung time mo, yung energy mo, magagampanan mo yung iyong mga tungkulin. And some of you, as a blessing, this can be a result, resulta sa mga court cases or anything na may kinalaman sa approval ng documents, approval ng visa, related sa authority, So, yung resulta niyan magiging pabor sa'yo. So, let's see what else for Virgo. Uy, heart. So, this is about loving yourself. Loving yourself is where it should start. So, some of you will also practice self-love, self-care. Some of you naman, pwedeng you are attracting love. You are attracting a romantic partner. Kung ikaw ay talagang naghahanap ng connection. So, some of you, meron ding event, a major event, na dadaluhan kayo. So, ito ay pwedeng party, celebration, any event that may mga pagsasalo-salo, So, pwedeng ikaw yung host nito, mag-host nito sa lugar mo, sa bahay mo, or sa isang place na very, parang ang syalang tingnan. Oo, maganda. So, you also have gentleman. So, this is an energy of masculine energy. Maring there is someone that you need to talk to. Can be a masculine energy, pwedeng romantic partner, kaibigan, na meron kang kailangang linawin or klaruhin sa taong to. Lalo na kung may mga bagay na hindi kayo napagkakaintindihan. This can also mean like parang someone na wala ka naman talagang romantic affiliation or connection with this person. Pwedeng abogado mo, pwedeng someone na nag-aasikaso ng mga papeles mo, ganon. So, someone that you need to talk to. So, sa money, career, finances, the unknown brings wisdom when explored. So, meron kang i-explore na ibang opportunities, let's say sa trabaho, sa business, sa finances. So, maaring merong kang madidiscover. Like a new source of income. This can be a new source of happiness sa career, sa business. Let's see. Pwede rin tong yung abilities mo, talents, and skills mo na pwede mo palang i-monetize, pagkakitaan. Sa love life, uy! Meron ditong ending. Syempre, hindi naman yung magre-resonate para sa lahat. But for some of you, kung nandito kayo sa sitwasyon na alanganin na talaga yung relationship, so there is a possibility na talagang mag-end na, yung connection na to. This can be a romantic partner, pwede rin tong sa friend or sa family member or kung sino man that is close to you. Some of you may be cutting off connections sa isang tao for your protection or para sa kabutihan mo rin. Okay, final message. Accumulate in times of plenty to ensure abundance in times of scarcity. So, ito yung parang preparation. So, you are being asked na mag-prepare, mag-impok, Lalo na kung maganda ang pasok ng pera. Kasi yung iba, kapag maganda yung pasok ng pera, sige rin, waldas. Gastos, wala rin, 'di ba? So, syempre, samantalahin na na kapag maganda yung income, maraming mga bonus or extra money na dumarating, magtabi ka na, no? Kasi you'll never know kung kailan mo kakailanganin yan in times of emergency. Okay? So, that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. Bye.